Actually, you know what? No, we gotta do it like this. We gotta do it the right way. We gotta do this the right way. Welcome back to yet another video. Guys, we got the robe on, we got the sunglasses on, you already know what's about to happen. We about to make a banger today. Today, we are about to do a Playboi Carti type beat. I'm sure some of you know about the album, the upcoming album, or well, who knows when it's coming out, but you guys know about a whole lot of Red, okay? And you guys know a lot of songs have been leaked from that album. And I was able to get my hand on quite a few of these leaks. But guys, let's just say Playboi Carti is a musical genius, okay? And I'm about to mimic some of that on this here beat that I'm about to make. And yeah, honestly, I don't know when this album's gonna come out, but when it does, you guys will be thoroughly impressed, okay? But yeah, don't forget, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, okay? Let's just get into this video. I'm really excited. I just want to make Playboi Carti's that beat. I got on my computer here all the VSTs. We got all these videos. We got all the VSTs, you know what I'm saying? We got Dune 2 right here. Citrus. We got what's this? Electra X. Oh, and of course, we can't forget about the GOAT. We can't forget about the GOAT. Omnisphere 2. Let's get this melody going, okay? And I'm actually gonna switch to my my regular glasses because I cannot see a goddamn thing. That's the level of ambience that is on Whole Lotta Red. I'm just warning you guys, okay? So we're actually gonna use that, so.
Years later.
Alright guys, we already have something. I never used Dune 2, but like, I don't know. First of all, I don't even know why I don't use Dune 2. Okay, that sound is beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna just add gross beat. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much with gross beat. Okay, I'm probably just gonna get rid of it. Probably not. But look, alright, we always gotta try out gross beat. Alright, we gotta just try this out. Alright, we got our basic pad down, okay? That took kind of, not too long. Alright, that's cool. We got our nice little pad. Now, let's add some melodies to that, okay? And before I do that, let me just get rid of this reverse thing, because the reverse thing kind of messes it up, and it just annoys the hell out of me. I don't know why gross beat does that, but whatever. Let me actually add a few drums. I'm gonna add a few drums, not the 808 yet, but let me just add, I'm just gonna add this because I like this a lot. Oh wait, this should be a little faster. And a snare. Alright, now let's add this counter melody. We need a good counter melody. Like, and that requires a good sound. KY, where are the keys? Where are the keys? Keys. I need some keys, hello. Okay. Alright, I think this is the sound. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I think this is the sound. Okay guys, my camera died. Of course it died. You know what I'm saying? Of course this is gonna happen. But either way, still got a fire beat. Okay, so all of that happened when it died. I just made a counter melody. I used Electra and that's what it sounds like. And I also added some drums, but you'll hear that later. But yeah. Then I added the drums. But yeah, it's sounding very Playboi Carti-ish, you know what I mean? So, you know, let's just do the 808 now because I think it's time to do the 808. I think we're long overdue with that. But okay, you know what? I think I got it, guys. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I think there it is. There's no Playboi Carti. I think my camera's about to die, so that's kind of why I want to hurry this up. But yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.